Hello everyone, today Diogo Veigas teaching you guys dating PHP. Let's check it. First, let's just open our PHP, right? We are always using an index.php, so it will start with the index. Then we just create an echo. And we want to put data, and here we want to put stuff, just as year, month, and day. Just put some columns, save it, reload the page. Here we go. 2021? Yeah. 8? Yeah. 2? Yeah. Here we go. You see it? It works. So, date, it's a function from the PHP. The UI capital is the year, the M, the month, and the D, the day. Now, keeping with the date, the year, let's learn how to create an automatic copyright date. The year, you know, as an example, if I start my company at 2020, today would be 2020, 2021, because the year will just keep going on, right? So I just put the copy in PHP, not in PHP, in HTML. You can just put this symbol. Where's the symbol? Yes, here, copy. In here, you can just already reload. See, let me just put a break in here, so yes, that's a trick. I can teach you guys, can talk about it more later. In here, the copy, the symbol of the copyright, and just put this symbol in here to close the copy. The last one was not complete, it needs the semicolon, I don't know why, but it needs. Then you just put the first year, as an example, 2020. And then you start the PHP, we close it, in the middle you call for the date, and we ask for the year. It will work, okay? Semicolon, here we go. Reload the page. Yeah, it's working, but it's not working. We need to put the echo so we can show it. And more, we can just put something like this. We need to put the dot or column. So here we go. See, an automatic one. If you remove the space, no, it doesn't. It's here. The space needs to be here. Okay, let's go save it. Here we go, you see it? Let's just remove this for a while. It would look very nice in the footer of the page. Now, so I just don't forget, I just copied from somewhere else and put in here, because I would easily forget it. So let's go. Time. Echo to the time is, and in the time is, we just put the date, and in the date you can just put H, 2 dots, the column, not the column, I don't know, right? Just put H, that's the time. The H in capitalized H, it's 0 to 33. And the small one, it's 1 to 12. It's the PM and AM, and the first one it goes to the 33. We are going to use this one. Doesn't matter for now. The minutes we need to put. Okay, here I. You just put I because the M it's already reserved for the The M is already reserved for the month, so in the means someone decided to put I, and the left we put the S, seconds. Just close it, the semicolon, reload, and it says it's uploaded. Yes, of course, we need to put this one, we need those two double quotes, and the time is right, it's running. Now we just put date, default, it's not zone but time zone, set, and here we need to put something. So what it is, that's a function that will set the time zone. The default time zone for another place. I'm from Europe, from Portugal, and I'm trying to put America as an example. Put America or New York, we just put something like this, we save it, we'll reload it, 4 AM, different from here, right? Right, it's right. We put just date equals to this little thing, the function RSTRDO time, it's just auto time I think. Just close it, and in here, if you don't put anything, I believe it will just save the actual time. See, let me. I don't know how to do this, man. Oh my god. Now it's working, okay, sorry. Start time, it's something very hard, something that you need to learn. I don't. So in here, I figured it out. I wasn't putting the dollar sign before the name of the variable. I forgot, completely forgot. Now, in here, we can save it here, and you can also do something like that. You just wait. But it does not make any sense. Yeah, it would make more sense if you could just transport with the last video. Imagine, in the last video, I teach you guys the session start. So if you want to start counting when the user enters the site and then when he finishes the login, you can just create a variable in the start and a variable on the end and just make a subtraction, right? Very simple. And the straight time, it's a little bit hard to understand and to explain. Of course, if you want a video about this thing, the straight time, let me know in the comments. I will try my best to explain it for you. Don't forget to leave a like, check my last video, my 2 last videos, I believe very useful for PHP. Thank you guys and see you soon.